And my point with that is that, so sabi ng friend ko, so parang sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ang tanga-tanga ko, parang sobrang, I was so ashamed of myself na ang tanga ko, bakit ko hinayaan yon? I wish I knew better. And then she said, alam mo, parang ganito yan. Isa kang pitchel. Ang dami mong love. And ang ginawa mo lang naman is nagbigay ka ng love sa ibang tao. Pero yung cup niya ay ganito lang kaliit. So, nung binigay mo siya ng love, tas nalunod na siya, kasi hindi niya kayang i-contain yung love na yun. Parang, ito lang
So
siya.
nice.
Ito ka. Binigay mo, blablabla, hindi niya kaya, hindi nga. So, that's why he cheated. That's why. Yung gano'n na parang, he wasn't ready for my kind of love. So what you need to do is, kung ito yung love mo, stop giving it to people who can't handle that.
That's really true.
So kung ito yung love mo, hanap ka ng cup na ganyan din. Para pag binigay mo, ayan, sakto, kasha, tapos bibigyan ka rin.
Yun.
Magbigayan kayo.